My Nana once told me that I can tap my troubles away. We try a bit of a breathing exercise. What do you think?
I think so.
Do you think that would work? So put your paws on your belly and your chest. Now breathe in slowly through your nose. And then you blow out as you tap, tap, tap those worries away. We try it again. You put your paws in your belly and your chest. Breathe in through your nose. And then you blow out as you tap, tap, tap your worries away.
Okay, I'll give it a try. Okay, so I take a deep breath in. It's like it's raining on my brain. A brain rain.
Do you feel better?
Yeah, you know what? I used to have butterflies down in my tummy, but now I feel like with the tap, 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 I've got a butterfly dancing on my head. Hi, everybody. My name's Belly,
And I'm Whizz.
and we love being visited by our friends here in the woods. They help us with our feelings.
Yeah. So tune in to Minding Me with Belly and Whizz
On RTÉ Jr.
and the RTÉ Player.